Hello everybody, so today we are on a bit of a different job. As you can tell from the title, we have had a breakdown, so we have come to recover. The 5712 has had a little issue, so we've got a low loader on, we've come to pick it up, take it home, ready to be mended. So if you saw the haymaking video, you will know that it broke while we were tedding the hay. And if you haven't seen the haymaking video, it broke while we were tedding hay. So now you're all up to date. So what we're doing, just come up this evening with a borrowed low loader, get it loaded up and took home, ready for somebody to come and look at, because we kind of need it back. Get all this bailed up. Okay, so here is our problem. The fan has become detached from that little stud on there. Pulley's all out of line, fan's broke. I don't think the radiator's damaged. We still got coolant in there and there's no puddle underneath, but yes, we're not meant to be looking like that in there. So there we go, all loaded up, tied on to the ambulance. Time to get her back home. Nee-nar, nee-nar. Oh, steady on, Spice Girls. Not that there's anything wrong with the Spice Girls. Some of them, anyway. Brakes are a bit fierce on the trailer. And we're going to mind not to take the gate posts out on the way out. Listen for the crunch. I can't see the back corner. I think we're alright. Gate's still standing, we're alright. We made it out. Right, here we go. Homeward bound. So as you heard when it was driving up the ramps, it is grumbling a little bit. But hopefully we weren't doing any more damage. I think the damage has already been done on that little spindle. So I don't think we were causing any more. Just by getting it up on there and off again. Well, I guess time will tell. Just going home gently. Just got to watch for overhanging tree branches. Don't want to bash my car roof off. Another reason for not exactly storming home. There's a man on a bicycle up behind. So they hold up enough traffic, so we'll hold him up for a minute or two. He's only out for a leisurely Sunday evening ride anyway. You don't want to get too much of a sweat on. Oh, he's going for it. He's going to overtake. There he goes. We don't realise we're turning off now. Bit low in the old tree department here. There we go, we're through. Trouble this time of night on a sunny summer's evening, the sun gets very low and then difficult to see where we're going. Right, so here we are, back approaching HQ. I will tell you, or what I'll do is at the end of the video, or kind of in a minute. Next I will put a little bit in as to what was actually wrong. I won't be able to show you none of it because we won't be repairing it. We've got time to hang around and film while they're repairing it, whoever comes to do it. So I will let you know in a minute the exact problem, what went wrong. Okay, so here we are mid-repair. So the chap has been out today and they had some parts in stock in the dealership, and some are on order. So the cause of the problem was the water pump bearing failure, okay, which is this shaft here. The bearing failed, the fan obviously sits here, and tipped forward, broke this. I think it come apart from some threaded part somewhere. Tipped forward, the radiator wasn't harmed, but there's an intercooler that sits up here on top of the radiator, that's got a hole in. There's more parts on order, so obviously we've got a new water pump, new pulley, new belts. Waiting for some more parts. They won't be in until the morning, so he's going to come back tomorrow, finish the job off. And here we are, fully back together. It's been tested. You can see we've got dirty tyres, so we are back to work. So what did we get? So I mentioned the intercooler had a hole in, so that's this bit. You can just see it here on top of the radiator. Okay, so kind of from here to here is the intercooler where there's a pipe coming out, so that's new. Fan is new, this surround is new. Oh, it caused all kinds of damage when it broke, but like I said, all back together, all fully working. So we are all back together. So it broke on Sunday. An engineer came out on Monday and put the bits he had on and ordered the others. They were due Tuesday. They didn't actually come until Wednesday morning. So it was fixed mid-morning Wednesday and back to as good as new. All that bother caused by just one little bearing in the water pump failing, and that's what let the fan go, let the fan tip forward and cause all the damage. So all mended, all back to full working order inside a few days, which was good going. It just kind of happened at a busy time, which was annoying, but the Kubota stepped in and saw us through to finish the haymaking. So everybody that tells us we need a teleporter instead of a loader tractor, we wouldn't have been able to go tedding and raking with a teleporter. So they have their advantages of having. Now, loader tractor does have its advantages. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.